Hello CMA students, both CMA Inter and CMA Final. So many of the students right from the morning they are messaging me, sir, we could not clear in this attempt. The thing is, the exam of December 25 already over, results already came. Now that you cannot do anything about December 25 exams. The only thing that is available right now is how to crack June 2026 exams. That is the only solution that you are having. So happened has happened. You have procrastinated. Like now you will get so many negative thoughts. I wasted a lot of time. I procrastinated. I did not study well. Even though I study well, paper did not come well. All these thoughts will come. No use. Keep all of those thoughts aside. Take 1 day break. Then you have to start again for June 2026 exams. But this time, let us start more scientifically. I don't know how you have studied till now CMA exams, either inter or final. But from now onwards, I will tell you one strategy. It is scientific strategy. Just follow that strategy. High chances that you will clear in June 2026 exams. So the thing is, if you are writing both groups, just give a thought, just think. My point is, it is better to write one group at a time because there are 4 papers. If you are writing both groups, 8 papers you have to write. So if you strategize writing only one group, there are 2 advantages. First advantage, you have 3.5 months of time. Half month February, March, April, May. So 3.5 months ample time is there. Let us convert 3.5 months means effectively let us take 100 days. After your all holidays and all, effectively let us take 100 days. In 100 days is very much sufficient to prepare one group. Additional advantage is, while writing final exam, on every alternative day you are going to write the exam. So in between exams you will get 1 day. Let's say today you wrote one paper. Tomorrow you will not have exam. Day after tomorrow you will have exam. So when you get sufficient time during exam days also, there will be high chance that you will clear that particular group. So it is identical to choose one group and start preparation for one group. Secondly, out of 100 days, as you did not clear, take coaching. Don't think twice about money and all. Now request your parents, definitely they will support you, because how many times without proper structuring and channel you will write and you will get this type of results. So in 100 days, allocate 50 days for coaching. By especially final students, you can allocate 50 days for coaching. You start listening to classes and entire coaching you should finish in first 50 days. Next 25 days you should do first revision and next 15 days you should do second revision. Likewise, you need to plan. So total 90 days. After 90 days, last 10 days, if possible, write one mock exam, and wherever the concepts that you are not good at, start doing them final revision. So plan your strategy like this for upcoming June 2026 exams. Definitely you will clear. Happened, leave it. Just imagine you did not write December 25 exams. Only thing, now see, you have fire today. You have ignition today. Now you are thinking at any cost I should clear June 26 exams. The same ignition should continue till the last day you finish writing June 26 exams. Okay, so then only you will clear. The motivation, the ignition, if it stays only for 2-3 days, it is not sufficient. So from today onwards, make yourself a strict commitment. You will follow this strategy and you will do things as per this schedule. Okay, thank you.